Welcome back to my channel, USA Roloff Farm TV. For Roloff family latest news update, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Little People Big World, the Roloff family farm saga. The Roloff family, featured on TLC's Little People Big World, has captivated audiences since 2006 with their unique lifestyle and challenges. Central to their story is the Roloff farm in Helvetia, Oregon, a 109-acre property that has been both a symbol of family unity and a source of contention. This article delves into the complexities surrounding the farm's ownership, the tensions between Matt and Zach Roloff, and the broader implications for the family's legacy. People, the Roloff farm is more than just a backdrop for the family's reality show. It's a testament to Matt and Amy Roloff's hard work and vision. Over the years, the farm has hosted pumpkin festivals, family gatherings, and has been a place where the Roloffs raised their 4 children, twins Jeremy and Zach, daughter Molly, and son Jacob. The property's rich history is intertwined with the family's journey, making it a cherished landmark. In 2016, after nearly 3 decades of marriage, Matt and Amy Roloff divorced. Following their separation, Amy sold her half of the farm to Matt in 2019, making him the sole owner. This decision set the stage for future conflicts, particularly concerning the farm's future and its role in the family's legacy. Zach Roloff, the twins' son, expressed interest in purchasing part of the farm to continue the family tradition. He envisioned raising his children on the same land where he grew up. However, negotiations with Matt did not go as planned. Zach felt that Matt's terms were unreasonable, and the offer was ultimately declined. This rejection led to feelings of betrayal and disappointment, straining their father-son relationship. In May 2022, Matt listed 16 acres of the farm, including the family home, for sale at $4 million. This move further alienated Zach and his wife Tori, who felt that the farm should remain within the family. The sale was later taken off the market, and Matt announced plans to convert the family home into a rental property. Despite these changes, tensions within the family persisted. The ongoing disputes and emotional strain led Zach and Tori to announce their departure from Little People Big World after its 25th season. In their farewell, they highlighted the challenges of maintaining a public persona amidst private family conflicts. Zach acknowledged that while there was no active grudge, the relationship with Matt had changed irreparably. The ongoing disputes and emotional strain led Zach and Tori to announce their departure from Little People Big World after its 25th season. In their farewell, they highlighted the challenges of maintaining a public persona amidst private family conflicts. Zach acknowledged that while there was no active grudge, the relationship with Matt had changed irreparably. As of now, the future of the Roloff farm remains uncertain. Matt's decision to leave the property to Amy, rather than their children, has raised questions about the farm's legacy. Amy, now remarried to Chris Merrick, is considering her options, including possibly selling the property. Meanwhile, Zach and Tori have settled in Battleground, Washington, focusing on their family and new endeavors wise. The saga of the Roloff farm is a poignant reminder of how personal relationships and business decisions can intertwine, leading to both opportunities and challenges. While the farm may no longer serve as the central gathering place for the Roloff family, its legacy continues to influence their lives and the narrative of Little People Big World. Whether the farm remains in the family or becomes a distant memory, its impact on the Roloff family story
Jacob
is
Roloff's
undeniable.
wife,
Isabel Rock, slams father-in-law Matt. While giving update on family farm, Isabel Rock, wife of Jacob Roloff, has recently addressed public speculation regarding her and Jacob's living situation in relation to Roloff Farms. In a Conda session on Instagram, Isabel clarified that while they do not reside on the farm itself, Jacob works there full-time and they live approximately 5 minutes away. She emphasized that there is no secrecy about their living arrangements, countering assumptions that they were being dishonest about their residence. Amid ongoing family tensions concerning the future of Roloff Farms, Isabel has shared feelings of hurt and betrayal by her chosen family. In a cryptic Instagram post, she expressed that past experiences of betrayal have led her to value meaningful relationships and community support for mental well-being. These sentiments were shared in the context of the family's disputes over the farm's ownership and management. The Roloff family has faced internal conflicts, particularly after Matt, Jacob Roloff's wife, Isabel Rock, slammed her father-in-law, Matt Roloff, while sharing an update about Roloff Farms. Isabel, 29, took to TikTok on Thursday, March 27th, to answer a fan who asked if she and Jacob, 28, had plans to take over the farm. "We can't afford to fully buy it from Matt, but we do love living here while we can, and Jacob takes good care of it," she wrote over a video of her husband working on the farm. Shortly after Isabel shared the post, several fans rushed to the comments section to slam Matt, 63, for selling the farm instead of giving it to his kids. "I keep saying the kids paid for that farm. PayPal only watched BC of the kids. They paid for it with their childhoods," one person wrote while referring to the family's show, Little People, Big World, and Isabel seemingly agreed by responding with an applause emoji. "Jacob deserves the land, as do all the kids. I hope TLC still pays the kids for reruns. People totally watch the show because of the kids," another person wrote, referring to Jacob and his siblings Zach Roloff, Jeremy Roloff, and Molly Roloff. Isabel revealed that the kids were not paid residuals, writing, "They definitely do not pay the kids for reruns, haha." After another fan said they wished that Matt would split the farm up between the kids instead of selling it, Isabel said, "Same." The shade towards Matt continued when another fan wrote, "If I had all that land, I'd just give it to my kids. I'd rather keep it in the family than sell it to a random person who will have no sentimental value in it." Isabel agreed with the social media user and wrote, "We all feel the same way, lol." As fans of the Roloffs know, Jacob, Zach, 34, and Jeremy, 34, all expressed interest in buying Roloff Farms from Matt. However, Matt opted to put a portion of the family's land up for sale for $4 million in May 2022. The decision caused a major strain between Matt and Zach, and he, his wife Tori Roloff, and their children ultimately moved to Washington. After he caused the drama within their family, Matt announced it was no longer for sale in October 2022 and shared his plans to convert it into a rental. Less than 1 year later, Matt put the land back on the market for a second time in August 2023 for $3,395,000. He continued to have a hard time selling the land and took the property off the market for a second time in December 2023. During a February 2024 episode of LPBW, Matt shocked fans when he revealed his plans to leave the land to his ex-wife Amy Roloff after his death. "I don't even know how to comment on that," Amy, 62, told Matt after he explained the plan, and she later called the idea crazy in a confessional. However, Matt said that he came to the decision because any other option was too complicated. Jeremy Roloff's 4 kids, all about Ember, Bode, Radley, and Mirabella. The couple chose the name because they thought it was really rad, with Audrey noting on Instagram that the name means Red Meadow or Meadow of Reeds, which to us is an image of peace and natural beauty. Meanwhile, Knight honors the maiden name of Jeremy's mom, Amy. A day after his birth, she wrote on Instagram that Radley's entrance to the world was wild, but ultimately one of the most harmonious experiences. According to the new parents, he was born uncall, or when a baby comes out inside the still intact amniotic sac. For Radley's second birthday in 2023, Audrey shared a heartfelt message about her admiration for him. "We love your excitement about all things dirt and tractors, your love for rides, and your eagerness to keep up with your bro and sis," she wrote on social media. "I love this age so much, and I love this sweet, hilarious boy."